What? No, I took the phone, I put it in the... I put it right... Crap! And the sledgehammer... Oh no, Leland! What are you doing? No, Leland! Crap. Hey! No! Leland! Are you serious? You just busted Mommy's phone!
Put it down right now, or else your
Go to your work. Give me that sledgehammer. Go to your work. Go to your work. You completely ruined her phone. No. No. It is ruined. You ruined Mommy's phone. Why do you have to smash everything? Huh? Why do you have to smash everything? But you smash everything. It's ruined. No more filming. No more filming ocean talking mushrooms from that phone.